Nono welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa newest and
Yes.
the biggest Nono's Doughnuts dito sa Pampanga.
So far, that is actually our observation. So ito po ang Nono's Doughnuts, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Guys, congratulations dahil dito sa mga taga Mabalacat, mayroon na naman silang pasalubong place and at the same time, a dining place that they can enjoy, bro.
Yes, so another place to discover at the same time, pupuntahan dito sa Mabalacat. And if you want to know more about them, samahan nyo kami. So tara,
Let's go! Again guys, welcome back to Nono's Doughnuts dito
Yes.
po sa may Mabalacat, Pampanga.
Actually, ang napansin ko dito, one of the biggest
Dining area no, ng
Yeah.
mga Nono's Doughnuts branches.
Isa sa mga pinakamalaki at pinakakakaiba na Nono's sa lahat ng mga napuntahan natin.
So actually dito guys, so meron tayong dalawang section, merong al fresco, meron din namang
Air condition.
which is this one.
Same time, dito sa may Nono's Mabalacat, you could stay.
Yes.
Pwede kang mag-work dito kasi they have a high internet speed.
So of course again, aside from the place, of course they serve one of the best donuts
Yes.
in town. You have wide choices of mga flavors. Number 2 doon, yung pinaka-base bread nila is brioche.
bread.
So yun pa lang, that in itself is actually may special na yun in terms of the bread that they use.
Yes. So speaking of bread, I'm excited to taste them.
Yes, so we have 2 boxes of donuts. Ayan ka. We also have some refreshments available sa mga refreshments pala dito. So they have like coffees, mga non-coffees like lemon base.
Yes, meron silang mga blended, iced coffee, and syempre yung mga refreshers.
And they are actually packed with this ready-to-go, ready-to-drink mga can.
Yes.
So ayun nga guys, I think it's a strategic place kung saan ito yung location niya. No?
Yes.
So you can actually parang curbside order, waiting, ganun. But then again, if you wanna stay longer, this is very inviting too.
Yes, pwede rin pampasalubong syempre sa mga loved ones natin sa bahay.
At ayun nga guys, isa na naman pong lugar na inyong aabangan and of course, dapat puntahan dito po sa Mabalacat, Pampanga. Congratulations Nono's Doughnuts for opening your branch here.
Yes, kung gusto nyo pumunta dito, experience
Chill.
lang
Tama.
Nono's experience. So this is located sa may Talimundok, Daw, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Pinaka-landmark nila, tapat lang sila ng St. Muchet School. And they're open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, and I bet you did,
Yes.
please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out guys, bye.